Do you want to know a tip on how to keep your chickens cool throughout the really hot summer months? Well, I got a tip for you. First, grab a shallowish pan, it can be plastic or metal, and set it down in your coop. Then you want to get a brick, something that can at least soak in the water. It can even be a rock. And you want to set that down into the pail, and then you want to fill up the water into it, preferably colder water, and then put ice in it. The ice will help, of course, cool down the water, but then also cool down the brick so that it can keep the brick cold so that the chickens or even ducks or geese can stand on it and help cool down their feet. And that will make it so that the animal can help cool their body down faster, since a lot of their heat receptors are through their feet. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.